अन्त ब्रो के चल्दैछ
कोरोना
होइन आज के गर्ने भनेको नि
अनि तँलाई के छ
तँ कहाँ घुम्नु जाँदैछ भन्दै थियो त आज
कोरोना ल्याउलास् नि फेरि अरूलाई पनि छाड्लास्
होइन मलाई पनि यसो आर्ट्समा इन्ट्रेस्ट छ नि त त्यसरी सोधेको त
ए हो अडियन्सहरूलाई अब कलर मिक्सिङ कसरी गर्ने भनेर यसो भन्न आँटेको कि भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई जसलाई आर्ट्समा इन्ट्रेस्ट छ उनीहरूलाई चाहिँ अब यसो कलर के हो कलर कसरी मिक्स हुन्छ तपाईँले यसो घरमा गएर के काम गर्नु
ल ल म जान्छु म भरे युट्युबमा हेर्छु ल कसरी के गर्ने
ए हो ल ल भाइ सब्सक्राइब गर है अब लाइक गर त्यहाँनिर नबिर्सिनु फेरि
Alright guys, hope you're doing great. So today we are going to mix a color and we have blue and yellow and red and yellow. So red and yellow is orange. Okay, if you mix these two colors you will get orange, and if you mix yellow and blue you will get absolutely green, and if you mix green and orange you will get brown, and brown is not the color actually, brown is red. Okay, so now we have blue and red. So if you mix blue and red you will get purple, but I don't have a perfect red and blue, so when I'm mixing ultramarine blue and crimson red, scarlet red, sorry. So I got a sort of dark purple, dark purple, and okay, now I'm adding white. So actually, guys, white and black and white is not a color. It is just we add black to make more darker, white to make more lighter, and so it is just like black and white TV and color TV. So do not consider black and white as a color. Okay. So this is the thing. You might be surprised that black and white is not a color and brown is not a color. So we have three main colors: yellow, red, and blue. And from that you will get green, orange, and purple, violet. And you add white and blue to just make it lighter and darker. That's it, bro. So I hope you got a little knowledge about the color. In this video, I'm not able to get the vibrant purple color. So in the next video, I'll try to make it more beautiful color, and that will be purple. So guys, I hope that at least you got the glimpse of how to mix the color. So I'll be coming with more videos about the color mixing, but right now I've got this much. So let's watch some of my work. Some of my work I've done before a long time back. So check it out, my video, and please do subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and I'll come with more upcoming more creative and more amazing videos. So I'll try my level best. So till next video, bye bye.